Alright, I'm gonna show you I'm not clean, but God bless. My father sent me to KFC. No. How long me stand up by cashier? But what line? What line? I'm gonna see me for what line. Which part in the nowhere me have to come out. Me stand up by cashier like and me make the bread. Me have to just come out because what me I go to stand up in a KFC like cashier like and me make it bread. If anybody out there want a kid to adopt, I'm here. Come adopt me. Ready? Me pack my bag, I'm ready. Cause this is not good parenting. The Chinese man just beg me some. What is going on in this world?
So use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Generation for TDJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
I'll give me that now.
I am a professional Jamaican.
What's good YouTube, it's a girl Kelly and today I am back again with the next YouTube video. So today, I'm actually going on the road today, but I don't know, we just go somewhere. I'm just why not vlog? Because I vlog all the time, everything for vlog, everywhere I go I vlog every day, like, you feel me? Alright, so I'm gonna wear this blue dress. Alright, I'm gonna show you when I go outside on this gangster and the face here. Cause what so I kinda have one list I wanna put on, you know, like I finally like I grew up now, write down list of things I want. So we're gonna read the list. When I have what I go for my list and show them up. So we're gonna read what on my list and show them what on my list. Alright, so see the list right here. So I don't know if you can see. Alright, so I'm gonna read two what on the list. Earphone, juice, eyelash, earring and nails. Mature, we're growing up. So before I get into this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. So I'm just gonna take on everything we do and I go see you. Subscribe and share the video. Like seriously, share. Like I don't understand why people like share the videos. Like you are watching me, no business who you is. You can be my mother, father, anybody. If you are watching this right now, you could be my cousin. Share the video. Anybody right now. Share the video. Chrisandra, you if I share it. Oh, I'm gonna show my foot and it has slide. So we reach and my father sent me a KFC for whole line. By the time he come back, he might go park a car somewhere. Tell me why me stand up in a line how long and he not reach. Me stand up how much people me say go and go order a KFC cause me not ready yet. Go and go order a KFC cause me not ready yet. Up till this day and the night now he not reach. What is it? Imagine, right? My father sent me a KFC. No. He sent me a KFC, right? How long me stand up by cashier? But what line? What line? No, me last. What line? I'm gonna see me for what line. Which part in the nowhere me have to come out. Me stand up by cashier like and me make the bread. What somebody can teach me right now? Me have to just come out because what me I go to stand up in a KFC like cashier like and me make it bread and me. You know, like me stand up in about 1 hour and he couldn't just call me one time. One time. One single time he called me. No, tell me not even know where to go. Like me actually come out like we don't like when people do things like that. I'm not even know which part then there. I'm almost over here so then there. Me have to go try cross that crazy road there. Crazy road, me have to go cross. Crazy road. How's my parents? If anybody out there want a kid to adopt, I'm here. Come adopt me. Ready? Me pack my bag, I'm ready. Cause this is not good parenting. Imagine you're going to Fontana, right? Big old Fontana pharmacy. We see this little Hello Kitty. What that? Hello laugh out loud ball egg something. Look on the price. $7,000 for that the little round ball bug something there. 7 grand. By the time tax go upon it, it reach 10 grand. By the time tax go upon that, it's 10 grand. 10 grand just for that little one little something like that. Ain't that crazy? That's crazy. No, like where are we living? Earth we live on now. Me not on your phone, but that's crazy. What? Alright guys, so right now there are scotches. Christian just said she want a vlog. So what's up? Then can I see it? I'm turning on the flash. Alright, she have nothing to say. Alright, so there are scotches. Alright, so there are Burger King now. I'm number 14. That is it. Alright, so me just come out of Burger King. Somebody just look at me. Why the person they walk and look at me? So I got juice. And oh my gosh. Like this not gonna work. Like I have to come out and go on the front seat and fix it with the camera. This any better? Like yeah, finally we get to do one car video. I always want to do one car video. Like she want something? Oh look up the light there. Look at the back light. Oh gosh. Wait, that make the video worse? Alright, I'm not gonna show you what I got. I'm not clean, but God bless. Oh! That any better? Like, what if I'm not see me like? Woman is really thirsty. Like, oh, if you come right this and say you don't want in a video, you're right in my back. Well, excuse me. Fries. Show them on there look. Come. Ooh, I'm got burger. Okay, let's take out everything on my bag. All of the newspaper. I wouldn't call.
Yo, me actually brave right now. People walk past and the video light and shine for me.
And then me knock out all my fries. Like that. Then me use this for my little sippy cup and throw things in there. Too much people look for me, so I'm gonna do it and forward back later. Cause why so much people? Oh! Alright, me not see them tomorrow. Me still at being lucky when I see them tomorrow. Anyways, I'm put your pressure so I can see. I want a burger like this. If you don't search your burger, I don't know one to you, but me search mine. Oh, this looks good. I'm gonna like tomato, it's nasty. So I'm take off the tomato, put it in a this. Put it in a this. Where fries the dinner. Tomato is so nasty, like you who eat tomato. I know somebody eat tomato will watch this right now. I probably say, oh she weird. Or but my business, tomato not taste nice. It just big and watery. I just water I drink, literally. And there you have it. Nice and good. Then we get the newspaper. I wipe off with and work on the mustard. I forgot said Burger King only mustard tastes very bad. Like you oh alright. We put ketchup in our bag. Take. Why everybody have a come? That's why I'm not like the video outside. The Chinese man just begged me some. What is going on in this world? Let me show you because I feel shy. I'm not showing nobody weird. Alright, so I'm gonna taste this before anything. Taste it. Nice and good and nice. It's nice. Angel, you sure never want nothing to eat? Oh! Hello? Why you call the hang up? Oh. This tastes really good. What? I'm belly actually full. I too bad me take bounties. Someone could have look for me right now, that's one. Oh, look for me. Hi. Burger King fries always fresh and good. Not like I'm eat. Hopefully, you have to just give thanks and eat. You can't stress yourself too much. I just want, you know, make money happy and just travel and have fun with people. You know, I don't want every day vex with nobody or nothing like that. Just do good in life and do music and eat and not cuss with nobody. You know, I just want to live good and if possible, really possible. Hopefully not see me. A grape juice. If you like grape juice, you know say bussin'. Excuse. Can I eat fast? Or just leave back? That's all? No. Make a Burger King. I forgot some. The only mustard sauce not taste good. I should I get barbecue, but I get only mustard very nasty. Bad. Ew. And it smells bad. Baby, are yours there?
I hear my juice right there.
What does the cup to a long American cup?
Alright guys. Alright, so we just come back home. I'm tired. I'm gonna be in minutes. The burger did very nice. Like the burger did nice. I think I'm gonna eat something like that. Cheese. I'm gonna check with this. Even care about juice. When we come back and just have one. Turn the ice a little bit. Oh God. Okay. I'm gonna check with this and see if we get everything. Alright, where is this? Let me see if I like this. Okay, so upon this you have earphone, eyelash, earring, and nails. So I'm gonna see one what we get. Alright, so the first one is earphone. Yay! We got our earphone. Cheap. I'm gonna buy my earpod next time, but I need an earphone because sometimes I just want to listen to music and just zone out upon a situation wherever I go through. So get your earphone if you can't afford earpod. It is okay. It's eyelash. Wait. Bandana pharmacy. Yay! I never wear eyelash before, so tune in for that video because that video I could actually go on to yourself. Alright, so let me take this out and show you what it looks. She said this is the naturalist one. So if you know this is cheap, you could put it on my eye like this and go so. Pure, hot girl. I actually turned 18 today. Like, I grew up. I'm traumatized because I'm afraid. Why am I turning 18? Never ready. Like, actually, I'm 18. Like, that's so scary. Alright, so the next one, earring. We never get an earring, but we'll get an earring the next day. Like, Tomorrow Saturday, so Sunday we'll get earring and nails. We're not getting no nails. But we get juice. We'll actually get juice. Buy juice. Hopefully this video will be helpful. Hopefully this video was helpful. My phone I did my phone there at 4. It's got dead right now. So make sure don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and tune in for the next video. I'm gonna put on these. This is my first time. I don't know which glue to use. So make sure don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and bye. I'm gonna bed now. I'm going to bed. Well, I'm not going to bed. I get earphones, so I'm going to listen to music the whole night. Excuse. Look some more bit and later. Bye. And subscribe. Excuse.